Hello! Right, we are driving to the lighthouses at Dungeness. Hopefully we can get up there. Didn't bother to check if it was open or not. The old lighthouse, that is, not the new one. So on the Dungeness estate itself, we're just crossing over the railway lines for the Romney Hive and Dymchurch. You can see how wonderfully bleak Dungeness is. Now, just coming up on the right hand side at some point down here. Look at this old car, look at that. Oh, that's brilliant. Bang bang chitty chitty bang bang. Just coming up somewhere on the right hand side will be Prospect Cottage, which is where the filmmaker, film director Derek Jarman lived, and he's been dead a number of years now. Passed away in the mid-90s, and it's this building over here, this cottage with the yellow doors and windows, is where he used to live. And it's got a wonderful sort of rock garden out the front, as you can see. Yeah, that's Prospect Cottage. Very small place. Wood sort of framed, as most of the things down here are. Anyway, let's lead on to the lighthouses. Right, off we go. You can see the modern lighthouse. I say the new one. In the foreground, sorry, in the background there, you see lots of people having a walk. Dungeness is a very bleak but very beautiful landscape, and apparently it's Britain's only desert. I haven't seen any camels, have you? But yeah, fishing seems to have been the main industry. There is, of course, just over there, which we will get to in just a bit, the now decommissioned nuclear power station. So, follow this road all the way around, and then eventually we'll get there. So, Dungeness has appeared in quite a few music videos, and now I've said it, I can't remember which bloody ones. But where we're staying at Romney Sands Holiday Village, at the back you've got the nature reserve with the sound mirrors that laid those old... Nicki Minaj, that's it, she filmed a video here somewhere, didn't she? I can't remember which one, but when I find out I'll drop a link to it in the description box below. But she also, as part of that video, was dancing around in front of the sound mirrors at Lade, just at the back of Romney Sands Holiday Village. I bet she didn't stay in one of the chalets though. So here we go, we're coming up to the old lighthouse. We'll park up, hopefully it's open. If it is, we'll go in, climb all the way to the top, which I haven't done since I was about 8 years old, and then all the way back down again. So this place over here is the Line restaurant. This is the end of the Romney Hive and Dymchurch railway. It runs from Hive to Dungeness. This is Dungeness station, and right in front of us over there is the old, well, it's the nuclear power station. Oh. And we're parked up. No rest, thank you. The nuclear power station. Just looking over to the Dungeness station, the end of the line for the Bromley Hive and Dymchurch Railway. There we have Dungeness nuclear power station, which I think is now decommissioned. But yeah, this whole area is bleak but beautiful. Bloody windy. So we're just going to go and have a wander. See you in a bit. The beach at Dungeness. I don't think I've ever been here. Very shingly. Quite a few people fishing along. Got to be careful, got the power station right behind me and there's all sorts of warning signs about filming, etc.